Hey, so I just implemented a new feature into Cha-Ching Automate that makes it possible for your VA to actually use the software to post videos on your behalf to Amazon international storefronts. So I'm going to show you how that works right now. First, if you haven't done this yet, you need to give your VA access to do so. You're going to go to this page right here, which is accessible, and I'll show you that here. Find this page here, which is accessible via account settings. You go to manage account users right here, and you're going to click add users. And I'm just going to put in my email address here and give me storefront access, actually all the access. Now, word of caution, when it comes to storefront access, not only do they have permission to see reports and analyze data and that kind of stuff from the reports access, but actually they have permission now to upload on your behalf, manage your storefront, do things that really you need somebody who you trust to do that for you. So only give this kind of access to a VA that you have established a relationship with and that you trust. But this is how you do that. So then you click submit, and then they're going to be invited and they'll have to accept it on their end. But once they have that access, then using the software, a couple settings that you need to adjust in the software, you're going to have to click this button here that says check by next in storefront, because they won't have access to Creator Hub. The VAs can't have access to that unless you give them your actual Amazon login, which I don't necessarily recommend. But they can upload via your storefront because that's public and anybody can see it. So go to here, check by next in storefront, make sure that your handle there is correct. Then click Save Settings. You'll want to go into Connected Accounts, and unless once again, your VA has access to actually upload to YouTube on your behalf, then you might want to turn that aspect of it off. So I'm going to turn that off for now. Right now I'm focused on just international Amazon storefronts. So now that your VA has access to Amazon to upload for you, you're just going to make sure all of those are enabled that you want to upload to. And then once that's done, you can click Run Now, because YouTube itself is turned off. So it'll just kind of go through your storefront and start uploading to the international storefront on your behalf. Or you can click on Selective Upload, and that way you can very clearly pick which ones that you want to upload and determine where you want to do that. So if I wanted to upload, or if my VA wanted to upload to Germany and France, it could do so right there by selecting them on the left side and clicking down here, the drop-down arrow next to the upload button, and then going to Amazon DE, France, and Germany. Then you would just click Continue. And the way that this is possible, it actually appends your affiliate ID to the Create Post tag. So I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like. Of course, it's going to go through the process of making sure those products actually exist on the target storefronts, and that's what it's doing right now. And then watch the URL here, because this is what makes it possible to for the VAs to actually upload on your behalf. And here it is. So not just the amazon.de.create/post like it used to have, but actually it appends your ID, your storefront ID on there. And that is what makes it all possible, that right there. So I know getting a VA right now is super, super helpful. I'm in the process of getting a VA myself. So if you're taking your Amazon influencer business to the next level and you're considering a VA, I'm going to put a link in the description that my friend Andy actually put a course together for hiring your first VA. I encourage you to check that out. And then of course, give them access to Cha-Ching Automate so that they can start uploading on your behalf to all the Amazon international storefronts. Hopefully this will help you out. If I can do it, you can do it too. Just an average guy.